Hi everyone, welcome to ProBuild YouTube channel. So now today we'll be saying how to make this 3D in same PTC Creo 7.0. So here we can find the 2D drawing. So first I have to go with drawing study as usual. I'm going to consider this front view. This is top and this is this is partial section view plus side view. Okay, so I'm going to consider this top plane as my first priority, so that you can find this is the base, right? Actually, so we should start from the top view. So you can find a rectangle. It is filleted with R10 and its length is 100, width is 60, and there is 4 holes. Okay, and also you can find a slot of 42 with height of 5, and it is taken all over the base part. So I'm going to consider the top plane. Since I have chosen the top view, go for extrude. Sorry, I have to go for front plane, just because it will be easy for making this part as even. Okay, so I'm going to choose front plane and going to draw my rectangle for 100 length and 15 in width, sorry, 15 in height. So just draw a rectangle. So make sure it is lying on this x-axis plane and don't forget to make it symmetric. Now I'm going to change this to 15 in height and my length is 100. Now I'm going to draw this slot profile. It's actually 42 here and 5. So go again with this same rectangle. So draw here. This symbol represents that it has gone with symmetric. So this is actually 42 and this is 5. Now this is my unwanted segments. So now I'm going to extrude this for 60 breadth. Okay, go for symmetric and 60. Now my base part is ready. Now I need to go up with the round. There is R10. So select 1, change to 10 and touch the 4 edges. Now I can make holes. You can find this is 4 holes of dia 10 actually. So I'm going up with extrude option. So it's better to go for holes and select this region. And you need to make up that from center to center it is going to be 80 and here it's going to be 40. So I'm going to place this one clip here and one clip here. So this is 20, that is 40, off of which is 20, and this is going to be 40. And in shape you can go for 10, and in blind you can change up to selected. I'm going to select this bottom surface, so it extrudes up to that and it removes material as well. Now okay, now I need to mirror this to one side. So for that you need to select that whole operation, go for mirror and select this plane and just select the mirror, control hole, so that 2 holes are getting selected. Go for mirror again and select this plane to get mirror in opposite side. So my base part is completely ready. Now I need to draw up the remaining parts. So now I'm going to choose this front plane. I'm going to draw this profile and followed by this profile. So I'm going to select the center plane. So this is in case of thickness, so this is 14. Okay, So select this plane, go for extrude operation, make this panel, select this line, right click, section orientation, set vertical references, again go for action, flip section orientation. Okay, now change this to, switch off the plane and change this to hidden line so that it becomes very convenient. Now draw the center line, I will say for Y, and go for arc. Just pick a point here and here. Okay, just place it approximately and put this as 200. Sorry, just telling some here. Actually this is hard 200, and here you can find 40 and 84 as with length. Now this is not right, remove reference and go for an arc. Okay, I guess this would be good. Go for 200. Now this is I'm going to deal this in different way. Actually this is 84. I'm going to draw a line, center line at this point, and from here I'm going to give some offset. So just draw one center line, and this is going to be 84 divided by 2. And here you can find, this is actually 40, so go for 20 here, up of one side and going to select, and my total height is from here, this is 32 and 155 minus 32. So just draw one center line here, it is from the base, I guess, right? So 155 minus 32, so from here to here is going to be 132 minus 55, sorry, 155 minus 32. So from this point to this point, and I'm going to go for an arc from here to here. Just make some tangent so that it becomes 20. And with respect to this, I'm going to mirror on this plane, and I'm going to join this and this. Okay, you can find it is extruded up to 14. So again go for symmetric, put it as 14. Just joined. You can see this in shading pages. This is done, almost done. Now I need to draw the upper part, for which I need to choose the same plane, same front plane, and go for extrusion process. Okay, let me choose the front plane and go for extrude. Change this view to hidden, go for references. Now I am going to draw a circle of radius R20, and it is offsetted from 32. From this line it is offsetted to 32. Okay, so draw a circle, radius 20, which means 40 in diameter, and from here it is 32, and just make connect from quadrant to next quadrant, and then the same. You can find that it is extruded up to 28 in thickness. Okay, so I'm going for the symmetric depth and choose this as 28 and give OK. Now this is almost ready, but I need to take a material inside. So you can find here that some material is given. and it is, from here it is 25. So I need to draw the same profile, but this case I'm going to remove the material. So just change the view to hidden line and take a reference this circle and project this circle. From here I'm going to draw a line, so this is going to be 25. Okay, and you can find here up to 18 it is remove material, so go for again symmetric and choose 18 and click OK. Now my part is completely ready except the hole. So my hole is, it is dia 15. There is no round as well. So select this plane, go for a hole from this base part, and so it is aligned in the way that I need to go for placement, and here you need to put a line so that it gets aligned to this plane, and here I'm going to choose 32 because this hole is, from here is 32. Okay, so just go here for 32. Shape, so this is 15, so change here to 15, and here up to selected surface I'm going to select the other side surface. So this is done, and go to view appearances, I'm going to select any one vibrant color for all. Just okay, so this is ready. So thank you guys, please do subscribe my channel and watch further videos for, I'll be discussing all the complex videos. Thank you.